What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just recently bought a new build. The delivery guy should be here any minute, so I'm waiting on him. As soon as he shows up, we're gonna go out there and look at the new build. Alright guys, next project I got here is a 2016 Toyota Tundra. Alright guys, so before I start checking out the interior and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inside the garage, and then we can go ahead and take a look at it. Alright guys, here it is, 2016 Toyota Tundra. Let's start off with the damage right here. This is the damage that's done to it. The frame rail has a buckle right there because it's shifted up, which is not a big deal. The radiator support probably gonna have to be replaced. The fenders, both fenders are good, and the hood is good. And this side looks like just this bracket needs to be replaced. Then a bunch of other little brackets right here that need to be replaced, but that is no big deal. Alright, going on to the inside, both roof airbags are blown. I did not notice that when I was bidding on this truck. Also, the seat belt is blown. Let's go ahead and look inside what this guy had in here. Look, a safe. Let's hope it's unlocked. Oh shoot. Oh, bullet. This man had a gun in here. Type-C charger. I can use that. Alright, going on to the back. Very nice brown interior. Let's see what we got here. Oh, another safe. A whole bunch of trash. Another bullet. More bullets. Alright, going on to the rear. The rear glass is busted right here. That is a one piece. It's probably pretty pricey. I'll have to check on eBay. Then the rear quarter panel has some damage right here, but that can be fixable. We'll empty that out in a second. This side is good. Oh, there's the airbags. Toilet paper. Everybody needs that. This man was a hunter or something. Unfortunately, the mirror is busted. That sucks very bad because I'm pretty sure these things are expensive. Alright guys, so this is what was in the bed. These are the side pieces. They're both good. That is very good. Not sure how much are they, but here's the front bumper. I will have to replace most likely just the center piece. I could be wrong once I take it apart. Yeah, the side pieces are good. Fog lights are good. This grill is a two-piece, and it looks like the chrome piece is good, so I will just need to order the center piece right here. These headlights, they might be good. There's a couple little scuffs right here. If I can get that fixed, that'd be awesome. There's a hole right there. It's probably missing a tab. I'll probably just give me 2 new headlights. Yeah, this one's got water in it, so just give me 2 new headlights. The crash bar is bent. I'll have to get a new crash bar. And that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what this is right here. I'm assuming it's for an ATV or something. It comes out, and I don't know. I would assume it's supposed to tilt, but it doesn't. Looks like he had some custom side steps. When you close the door, they close as well. So I was searching on Facebook for some parts for the Tundra, and I found some really good deals. I'm going to go ahead and pick them up right now, and I'll show you guys what I got. Alright guys, I'm heading right now to go get some Tundra parts. I found some on Facebook. This guy has some headlights for pretty cheap. Maybe he has a grill or something else. Hopefully I'm not going just for the headlights. But I am getting a pretty good deal. The headlights, they are the cheap kind, but on eBay they're about 350 bucks. And I am getting them for $80 for both. They're in really good condition. And I am taking a Mustang out today, taking it for a test drive. This thing is not upsetting at all. Very fun to drive. Alright guys, I just left the guy. I didn't want to record, not to make him feel uncomfortable. I went ahead and bought the grill. He had a grill. He hooked me up. $100 for the grill and $80 for 2 headlights. You cannot beat that deal. Alright guys, I want to show you guys the grill that I got. I think it's from a platinum edition because it does look a little different than my other one, but I actually like it. So plus it's $100. I mean, you can't beat it. And he also gave me this weather shield or whatever it's called. And here's the headlights that I got from him. $80 for both. You can't beat that. There is no bulbs inside. I'll just swap them out from my old ones. And also, a good buddy of mine had 2 mirrors for this Tundra. He gave them to me for $80 for both. I mean, you can't beat that. That's cheap. So now I just need a couple little more things on the Tundra, and we get this thing finished up. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video on the Tundra. Stay tuned for the next video. And before you know it, this Tundra is going to be up on the frame machine, and I'll be doing the framework on the front end. And also guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. I post some stuff on there too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.